Have you seen the drinking dinosaur? Well, let's go and find it. I've come out on a short trip to Flamborough Head on a very windy day, and I've got my Olympus and my Mark II, got my 17mm lens on, and I intend to go and try and find the drinking dinosaur and then try and take a picture of it with my Olympus. I finally found the drinking dinosaur. As I walk round the dinosaur, you can see its tail and it's the hump of its back, and its head comes into view. As you can see, there's the tail of the dinosaur. It's humped back and its head is in the, well, not in the water at the minute, there isn't any, but when there's water there, you can see its head in the water. I can point it out. There's its back going up and down to its head, and there's a gap there where its neck is. I'm going to get the camera set up and let's have a look at it. Turns out the 17mm is perfect. I've gone for f4, 1/800th of a second. I really enjoy coming to the East Yorkshire coast. It's got so much character, so many things to see and do and photograph, and quite contrast to Lincolnshire coast, which is close to where I live, which is flat, but the beaches are lovely, but it is flat and it doesn't quite have the same character or photographic opportunities that Yorkshire coast has. Crikey, that wind was a right challenge, and I had to hold on to the tripod to stop the camera from blowing over. Hopefully my shots come out all right. I'm not chimping them, so I won't know until I get back, but you'll probably see them in a jiffy. Well, that was the dinosaur taken, so I'm going to have a walk around the bay, see if I can find another composition, maybe get something, try to use my variable ND filter and try to smooth out the water somewhere, but we'll see. Let's see how I get on. These cliffs are really precarious. Look at this, this is going. This won't be here for too long. A bit of rain and a bit more wind and that might be gone soon. If you're enjoying this video so far and more broadly my photography content, why not subscribe to the channel? That'd be awesome if you would. And if you have already, thank you very much. Now, let's get on with the video. I've come all the way round to the North Landing in the hope of getting that iconic shot you see of this area. And maybe I might try to get a long exposure of the sea. Let's see how I get on. Look at that, what an amazing view. It's a shame that the blue sky is not the other way around because there's no light on the steep cliffs. But it looks great all the same. Now what I'm going to do is set the camera up and try to get a picture of the smooth waves, see what I can do. Here I am, I've got a really nice shot. I've got a bit foreground, I've got the midground is the waves crashing and the cliffs in the background. I think it looks really nice. And I've gone for f11 to slow the shutter down. I've got the ND filter on, so I'm just going to take this shot now and let's see how this comes out. 2-second timer, there we go. And there's a shot. So I'll show you that now, and then what I'll do, I'll go and look for another composition and try to do a landscape, I think. While we're here, it would be terribly wrong not to go and have a look in the caves. Come on, let's go and see what's inside. While I'm in this cave, I'll take 2 exposures and try to get a picture looking out of this cave, which is pretty good. And what I'll do, I've got f4 1/1000th. I'll take that and then I'll underexpose so I can get the light in the cave. So here's the first one, 2-second timer, and then I'll underexpose by 1 stop, and then I'll take that again. Normally you can't get this far into the cave, but I just have got my foot wet, which is a shame, but it's really nice to get this far. I have actually walked through this cave and swam out through it and swam round to the bay. Probably a bit dangerous, but I did do it a few years ago, which was quite an achievement, I think. The iconic shot of Flamborough is this one with the old boat there, just there you can see it, with the old boat looking over the bay. And you really need a wide angle to get all of the cliffs in, and I like personally to get the top of the boat in. That's the shot I like to get, kind of that way. I'll show you on this looking down. It's a bit blurry there. Let's widen this up and you can see it on my phone. That's the shot I like. It's really nice wide. I'll take this shot on my phone just to give you a really good idea of what it could look like. I really don't have a wide enough lens, unfortunately. I should invest in a wide lens rather than a long one. But yeah, that's what I'm going for. Slightly underexposed, trying to get some life in the sky. 1000-second f4. So I'm just going to take that shot now. I'll take loads of them. Just took a few to make sure. But yeah, that's what I was after. Hopefully that will come out really nice, and I'll show you that now. That's it. I don't think it'll end well if I spend any longer out while my family sat waiting for me in the car. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my little look at Flamborough and the drinking dinosaur. I hope that's interesting for you. If you have enjoyed it, then go on, give it a like. That'd be amazing. Boop the like button, plonk it, smash it, bang it, whatever you need to do, but hit the like button. It'd be amazing. Once again, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.